Hey everyone, and welcome back to Life Reset. It's that time of year again. A fresh start, a chance to hit the reset button and embrace a healthier, happier you. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. Let's be honest, we've all been there. Reaching for that bag of chips, grabbing a quick microwave meal, or indulging in a sugary treat. Ultra-processed foods are typically loaded with artificial ingredients, unhealthy fats, added sugars, and a laundry list of chemicals that our bodies simply weren't designed to process. And the research is clear: a diet high in ultra-processed foods is strongly linked to a higher risk of obesity, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. Start by becoming more aware of what's actually in the foods you're consuming. Read those labels, folks, and gradually start swapping out those ultra-processed options for whole, nutrient-dense alternatives. For example, instead of that bag of chips, opt for a handful of almonds or a piece of fruit. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Let's talk about processed meats. You know, those tempting bacon strips, savory sausages, juicy hot dogs, and delicious deli meats that find their way onto our plates more often than we might realize. Processed meats are meats that have been preserved by smoking, curing, salting, or adding chemical preservatives. The problem is, these processing methods often lead to the formation of harmful compounds, some of which have been classified as carcinogens, meaning they have the potential to cause cancer. In fact, the World Health Organization has classified processed meat as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning there is strong evidence linking its consumption to an increased risk of colorectal cancer. Now, I understand that giving up bacon entirely might sound like a cruel and unusual punishment. Start by reducing your intake gradually. Perhaps aim for 1 or 2 meatless meals per week. And when you do consume processed meats, choose nitrate-free varieties and enjoy them in moderation. Let's be real, we all love a refreshing beverage, but when it comes to our health, sugary drinks are like that toxic friend we need to ditch. They might seem sweet at first, but they're ultimately bad news. These sugary beverages contribute to a whole host of health problems, including weight gain, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, fatty liver disease, tooth decay, and even premature aging. Water should always be your go-to thirst quencher, but you can jazz it up with slices of fruit, cucumber, or fresh herbs. Let's face it, there's something undeniably tempting about the crispy, golden allure of fried foods. When foods are submerged in hot oil at high temperatures, they undergo a chemical transformation. The high heat destroys many of the nutrients that were originally present, and the food absorbs a significant amount of unhealthy fats, leading to a dish that is high in calories and low in nutritional value. Regular consumption of fried foods has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and certain types of cancer. Instead of deep frying, experiment with healthier cooking methods like baking, grilling, roasting, or air frying. These methods can deliver delicious results without the added fat and harmful compounds. We're about to embark on a journey into the fascinating world of our gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria that reside in our digestive tract and play a pivotal role in our overall health and well-being. A thriving gut microbiome is linked to a stronger immune system, improved nutrient absorption, better mental health, and even a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating gut-healthy foods into your diet is like providing your gut microbiome with the VIP treatment it deserves. Fiber, found in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, acts like a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria in our gut. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and tempeh are teeming with probiotics, live bacteria that introduce good bacteria into our gut. By prioritizing these gut-healthy foods, you're not just nourishing your body, you're nurturing a thriving ecosystem within your gut that will thank you in countless ways. Carbohydrates have gotten a bad rap lately, but the truth is, not all carbs are created equal. In fact, our bodies need carbohydrates to function properly. The key is to choose the right kinds of carbs, the ones that nourish our bodies instead of weighing us down. Simple carbohydrates found in processed foods, sugary drinks, and refined grains are quickly broken down by the body, leading to blood sugar spikes and crashes. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates, found in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes, are digested more slowly, providing sustained energy and a host of health benefits. So, how can you incorporate more complex carbs into your diet? Swap out white bread for whole wheat bread, white rice for brown rice, and sugary cereals for oatmeal or a high-fiber cereal. Load up on colorful vegetables at every meal and make legumes like beans and lentils a regular part of your diet. Let's talk about fermentation, a process that has been used for centuries to preserve food and enhance its flavor and nutritional value. Fermented foods are created through a process where beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium convert sugars into lactic acid. When we consume fermented foods, we introduce these beneficial bacteria, known as probiotics, into our gut. Probiotics act like tiny warriors, helping to maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in our digestive tract. Studies have shown that regular consumption of fermented foods may reduce inflammation, boost our immune system, improve mood, and even enhance skin health. Add a dollop of yogurt or kefir to your breakfast bowl. Enjoy a side of sauerkraut with your lunch, or incorporate kimchi into your stir-fries or salads. For decades, we've been told that fat is the enemy, the culprit behind weight gain, heart disease, and a whole host of health problems. But here's the truth: not all fats are created equal. Healthy fats, like those found in olive oil, avocados, nuts, and fatty fish, play essential roles in our bodies. They help us absorb vitamins, insulate our organs, protect our cells, and even keep our skin glowing. Unsaturated fats, often referred to as good fats, are liquid at room temperature and are found in plant-based foods like olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. So, how can you incorporate more healthy fats into your diet? Drizzle olive oil on salads, add avocado to sandwiches and toast, snack on a handful of nuts, or enjoy baked or grilled fish a couple of times per week. Let's face it, we've all been there, setting ambitious New Year's resolutions with the best of intentions, only to find ourselves slipping back into old habits a few weeks later. But this year, we're doing things differently. We're ditching the all-or-nothing mentality and embracing a more compassionate and sustainable approach to change. Instead of overwhelming ourselves with drastic overhauls, let's focus on setting small, achievable goals that we can gradually incorporate into our daily lives. Start by identifying 1 or 2 specific eating habits you want to change. Remember, preparation is key. In a world of instant gratification, it's tempting to fall prey to the allure of quick fixes and fad diets that promise rapid weight loss and effortless transformations. Detox teas, juice cleanses, fat-burning pills. These products and programs often prey on our insecurities and our desire for quick results. But the truth is, they're often ineffective, unsustainable, and potentially harmful to our health. Our bodies are incredibly intelligent and self-sufficient. Instead of seeking external solutions, let's focus on nourishing our bodies from the inside out with whole, nutrient-dense foods and sustainable lifestyle changes. So, ditch the quick fixes and embrace the power of a balanced, sustainable approach to health. Congratulations on taking this incredible step towards a healthier you. Remember, transforming your eating habits is a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself, celebrate every small victory, and never underestimate the power of consistent, sustainable changes. Here's to a healthier, happier you in 2025 and beyond. Please like and subscribe to the Life Reset channel. See you in my next video. Bye!